I'm Mafi.
I'm Leah, and we are the Healthy Tongan Cooks.
Me and I work together at Vanuatu Hotel. So I'm the second in command in the kitchen, and Mia was my demi chef.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Sukini. Oh, good to know. I grew up here in Tonga and started working for Tongan International 3 years ago. Looking at all these fresh foods make me want to cook.
Let's do it. Let's make some good food. Local food. Local food. The produce of Tonga, it's really healthy. Everything is fresh from the farm every morning. Look at those tomatoes.
Yeah. Mafi.
Fresh. If you're focused to stay healthy, you get everything there.
Working in the kitchen, Mafi makes it easy. He's a really good trainer. Now this
Oh my God.
is the real taste of Tonga.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Can't wait to taste. I have the passion for cooking. Our cooking style, we always think global, go with our local produce. That's what I'm trying to show the locals. Another way of cooking taro leaves, another way of having cassava or taro, how to plate it. And not only that, but the portion size is really important for their health too. Every family can do it.
Yay!
Oh my goodness.
Winning this competition is a huge step to send message to all the locals how important our local produce and how to use it every day.
And also we must value our life. Eating healthy is part of that. I'll be backing up this person right here.
And mate, man.
We're gonna go all the way, mate matonga for life.